Welcome to Dirt Bike Factory, where we review motorcycles, motorcycle gear, and motorcycle camping gear, and anything motorcycle related. Kind of like this video, which I'm going to be showing the vehicle and setup I'm going to be using to travel from the East Coast to the West Coast to ride one of the BDRs. So I need to drive about 2,000 miles to get out there, and in order to save some money on hotels, I figure I can probably save, 4 to 6 nights hotel, depending on whether I stop 2 or 3 times on the way down and 2 or 3 on the way back. And with hotel rooms now up around $200 a piece, that could be somewhere around $1,000. So the vehicle I'll be using is my 2003 Toyota Matrix, and I'll show you the inside. I have a place where I can sleep with a sleeping bag and a sleeping pad, and I made some blackouts for all the windows, so I don't have them all up now, but I can black out all the windows, and it works quite well. I've still got room in the passenger seat over here where I can get in and sit, and then I can climb into bed. And down there in the floor is a spot where I could put a large battery if I want to run stuff off of a battery. If I decide to do this more often, I could throw a couple solar panels up here, maybe the flexible glue-on types. And what I do is I tow a 5x8 utility trailer, and so I'll be towing this to bring my motorcycle down. Might even bring 2 bikes because it's such a long journey. I'm afraid if my bike breaks down, I might want to have a spare bike. Not sure how that would work out, but it might work. That's one of the challenges with the backcountry discovery routes, or BDRs for short, is they're not loops. They're they start in one spot and they go about 1,000 miles. So the first challenge is getting to the start of the ride if you live far away, and then the second challenge is getting back to the start after you finish, which a lot of people just basically ride pavement back because of time constraints. That's what I did when I did the Mid-Atlantic BDR in Virginia. It goes from Virginia up to the New York border, and then on a second trip I did the Northeast BDR, and that starts roughly in the same spot as where the other one ended, at the New York border, and it goes up to the Canadian border. And I ended up riding pavement mostly back to the beginning. And I actually took this same setup. I didn't sleep in my car at the time because I didn't have to drive very far to get to the beginning. I could drive there, in one day. But going out west, it's a different story. It's going to take, at least 2 days. And if I take my time, it would take 3. So I just hope maybe this helps anybody, gives you some ideas if you're thinking about doing a BDR that's far away. You'll also have to find a place to park near the beginning of the BDR. One thing you can do is you can ask the hotel, if you stay at a hotel near the beginning, sometimes the hotels will cater to BDR riders, and they'll let you park a vehicle there for a fee. I know for the Northeast BDR, I was able to park at a hotel for about $100 for a week. All right, if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.